friends and welcome to Nag Graphics. We are covering the chapter of 11 basic things before using Adobe Illustrator, and so far we have done 7 lessons, and you can check out those lessons in the playlist showing up here over the video. Coming to the point of discussion, we are going to discuss a thing which is gonna be a best assistant for you while drawing in Illustrator. Welcome Mr. Smartguides. Smartguides are the indicators which indicate many useful information on the fly. You can turn them on by going to the view menu, and there you have this option. Currently it is turned on. I'll try to perform few tasks with the help of Smartguides so that you can clearly observe the efficiency of Mr. Smartguides. I want to draw lines right from this corner point to this corner and then this corner to this corner. Currently my Smartguides are turned on. I select the line drawing tool. Notice as I hover over the corner point, some information is flashing which is telling me the position of my cursor. When I come near to the exact corner point, it flashes intersect. And not only it flashes the information, it also snaps the cursor to that point. The intersect word is flashing and I have started drawing the line. Now notice as I am drawing, the live measurement and its angle is shown on the fly. I'll do the same from this side with the help of Smartguides. Now I want to draw a rectangle right from the intersection point of these lines. I will select rectangle tool. Now as I hover near the intersecting point, the information started getting flashed. Even if I am not exactly over the intersecting point, Smartguides will help me to draw from that point by snapping my cursor to that point. Now notice, practically I am not exactly over the intersection. But if the information is flashing stating the word intersect, and even if I start drawing not exactly from the intersection point, Smartguides will snap the location right over the center point. Now if I want to draw a straight line somewhere from this point, touching the outer boundary of the rectangle, notice that Smartguides are again here to help me. Here I draw a line with the help of Smartguides, which will go just touching the boundary of the rectangle. But if my Smartguides are off, you're on your own only, which can be quite difficult at times. Basically, Smartguides give 7 types of assistance, out of which 5 are very handy and 2 are complex. Let me explain you the types of assistance it provides. Notice as I hover my mouse pointer here, some alignment lines are appearing which helps me to align my drawing along with the border of this rectangle. If I move ahead, an alignment line appearing from the center of the rectangle is appearing. This is appearing because of the alignment guides. You can check it in the preferences by going to the edit menu and preferences, and there you select the Smartguides. Shortcut key to the preferences is Ctrl+K. There you can see the alignment guides option is on. Coming to the next type of assistance, notice as I move over the path, it flashes the info as path, and it also flashes the info of anchor point if your mouse pointer moves over it. In the preferences, you can see this assistance is called anchor or path labels, and it is turned on. Next type of assistance is object highlighting. Notice when I am hovering over the rectangle, it will highlight the whole rectangle. Likewise, it will highlight any object which comes under the mouse pointer. Then we have the measurement labels. Notice as I draw any object, like I am drawing a line, its measurement units are displayed on the flyer. Then next is snapping. As I explained earlier in this tutorial, it helps me to snap to the point which is highlighting by the Smartguides. In the preferences setting, you can control the behavior of snapping. Here we have snapping tolerance, which means it will snap to a specific position even if it is far from the cursor by this much distance, which in my case is 4 points. You can increase it to maximum 10 points. In the preferences, you can change the color of Smartguides. We have not discussed the options of transform tools and construction guides, which are a bit complex options. We'll be doing them in future lessons. So in this way and in many other ways, Smartguides help us to do our job quite perfectly. You will be exploring its wide utility in future lessons. At times, you may also find these flashing options distracting. In that case, you can disable the Smart Guides by going to the View menu and clicking over it again. So this was an intro to Smart Guides. In the next tutorial, we will learn some basics about fill and stroke color. Thanks for watching NAC Graphics. Hit like and share if you find this video useful. And don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming series of tutorials.